Hello, good morning to all of you. Today, in the 10 minutes lecture series, we will discuss group synergy. Now, let us see what group synergy is about. Group synergy means union in a group so that the total of the people in the group, which individually results, is greater than when they work in the group. Now, this is what is synergetic effect, what we call. Now, let us see what synergy is step by step. The term synergy comes from the Greek word synergia, which means working together. In the context of organizational behavior, synergy refers to the ability of a group to outperform even its best individual. That means whatever the individual members perform, that means if one member A performs he makes two cars in a day. Say this is an organization which makes cars. Say if one makes two cars in a day, then two would make four cars in a day. But if they combine together, they make 5 cars in a day. Now this is called synergetic effect. Now synergy is a term used in biology. Otherwise, it refers to actions of two or more substances which result in an effect that is different from the individual summation of the substance. So we combine two substances and we get a third substance which is better than the individual two substances, and that is called synergy. Now we can also say that the groups are generally created to take advantage of synergy. The concept of synergy is quite popular in strategic management, and the definition can be as follows. Synergy is the process of putting two or more elements together to achieve a sum total of greater than the sum total of individual elements separately. The eject can be described through mathematical statement as 2 plus 2 is equal to 5 effect. Now this is what is synergetic. Whatever I was telling you earlier, it is the same. It is all written in language, perfect language. That is all. You can make your own language and write this. That will also suffice. Okay, now main features of group synergy. Synergy is experienced when the whole is greater than the sum of the parts. Okay, when the whole, whatever we make, is greater than the parts what we have made. Higher independence can yield higher synergetic effect. Higher interdependence will yield higher synergetic effect. Members present their views logically. All members willingly listen to each other. It is opposite of social loafing. When two or more people get together to work, they produce less than what each would produce while working separately. Now this group synergy, he says, is opposite of social loafing. Now in group synergy, another negative point of group, that is group think, it is also not there. Now see what group synergy is. Now that means when individually we are working, whatever we perform, but when we are combined together, we coordinate with one another and then synergize. That is in this language called, when we synergize, we produce more of the output than we can produce individually. Now group synergy steps to achieve synergy in work and career. Now how can we achieve this group synergy? These are some of the steps how we can achieve group synergy. Do whatever is necessary for you to be cheerful, upbeat, optimistic and confident. Positive energy creates the willpower and grit to succeed. Practice balance by looking at both sides of the issue. Stop thinking only of yourself. Draw others to you, demonstrate commitment and inspire them to take actions also. So this is the third point. Stop thinking of yourself only. Do not be selfish, but think about others. Draw them towards you. Help them, inspire them to solve their problems and help them in solving their problems. Uh, so this is how you create synergy. Promote and champion your company's vision and business plan. Learn how you can personally impact future direction. Simply, or you can say this is simply knowing your business. What is the vision of the business? What is the mission of the business? How can you be a part of that mission? How can you enhance the mission? Now, this is all what is we call knowing your business. Then we have setting high standards of yourself and take necessary action to reach the goal. Keep your energy level high. Keep in touch with the technological advancement that allows you to continuously expand your skill set. Communicate clearly with others, colleagues that know your goals will be to support you and work with you to find synergy. Surround yourself with right people, they inspire you and keep you on track. Take care of your health. If you are physically well, you will be better equipped mentally to achieve synergy at work and at your career. Now, whatever summary is of this, how we can create synergy in the workplace is that you must keep your energy level high, keep the enthusiasm high, use energetic behavior to positively influence others and motivate others to work. When this happens, work with you in collaboration, that is, and when this happens, you can say that the synergy has taken place. Now, this was all about group synergy. We'll meet you again with group decision making in our next slide. Thank you very much for the time being.